Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set, but blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, a lot of people are saying Jakes is wasting the gifters' money by buying, this 20 bag of cement and 300 blocks, and half a ton of steel and sand and all of these things. You see, Master, he's under pressure to get his kids back. And he say he can't go back to the court and tell the judge him want them and him have no place to put them. So he is building this 3-bedroom on a piece of land that his granny gave him. And that's what RT Boss is saying that's a big no because him name them upon the title. And if him dead him picking them now could get it. You see what I'm saying? This is a major investment. So the best thing for him to do is just, lease a 3-bedroom, because there's a whole heap of vacant, I don't want to say vacant, but empty houses available for rent. You know what I mean? Whether Airbnb style or whatever, and you can show the judge a lease, say, yo, my up place from a pitney, and ROSEALEE now come there. You see some people putting in the comment section where you think about that. And as well, them talk about other stuff with this ROSEALEE case. You know what I mean? So just like and share the video from now on our social media platforms, and let's get into it.
You wouldn't be coming out and say, oh, you're ugly, oh, you're this. You were with this guy for years. You never know him ugly. You never know him out stink. You never know say him did this. You did something for him. You pay 50,000 for get rid of a bump RT. You never remember saying, did the woman wash a big panty them?
The 5.
You never remember saying he was there with the kids. You didn't remember that at some point he was working and never did go and feed you and him feed you.
As a Gemini.
Right. Look, I'm not for science, my dear. But the fact that you are declaring the fact of a real woman or a big woman, listen, a real woman stand up by them man. Stand with them man, shoot them man forward and make people say, look here, this is my man, and they go hold him and write you. No relationship is perfect, not one.
But that's what Drake's coming out.
That's what Drake's coming out.
Right, that's the thing.
The man all our life.
There will be ups and downs in the relationship.
Why should never make a content
It's relationship. So why didn't you see, all right, you don't see everything go bad already. Make a 360, darling. Come out now and support him. Don't come up and be like, oh, you're walking on my shadow. Yeah, that's a bad mind mentality. That's a corrupt mindset in reckon to you and your kids.
But Amara, the pronounce your name good?
Aroma.
Sorry if it disappoint you, but we all know that Rose bad mind. So we use it as no honest. So we just have it to say she have a bad mind content. That's something we know.
Yes, but I mean the fact that it's like we know you do that from long time. Make we say you can change too. The fact of another way of taking accountability.
She just sees that the man is beneath her.
Come on, who is you? Who are we, as a matter of fact, to be doing stuff like that?
See me have to mute you, yeah, make nice.
Who are we, as a matter of fact, to be coming up here doing this to another person? Be happy for persons. Because remember, you see what's playing on with her now? Jakes is not answering her. It's the same thing when somebody else used to send a request and she don't want to play with them. It's the same thing playing with her now.
Karma.
Because Drake can't bother with the cuss and the argument that it's my run from.
It's horrible. It's horrible.
It's very, and she's been with this person for 12 years.
12
so
years.
Imagine what she was doing.
This person for 12 freaking years. I had all of this body shame, all of this thing that you're doing now. You didn't see all of this then? And the fact that you have kids.
But then again, why would you not play, Mama? Why you don't play the devil's advocate to say, then I could have where Ima tell Rose behind the scene who act different from the media. Because I wonder why she get
RT, regardless of what he told Rose, she has a man that she lives with.
I'm not sure if y'all see a screen recording. I was on a live minutes after 1 the other morning, and a family member of her, that family member of her was a family member that the kids will go to whenever time she's not available to assist them with homework. The father is not available to assist them with homework. The kids will go to her. Whenever time the kids have problem, they'll call her and go to her house and complain to her. That lady says, and this is what she said. She said, listen, ROSEALEE has been like this from childhood. They said they tried to get help from pastors, from counselors, from a whole lot of places, and she chose to accept and receive none. And she said she remember when they start, one of the seniors in the family starts to talk to her. You know what she said to them? She said, if when me dead, I wanna can't bury me, I wanna cook me and nyam me. That was what she said. The family member even started to cry. And she said, listen, it's such a horrible situation, a disgrace for the family. They rather to see her go 6'6" than sit in situations like these and see this disgrace keep happening with the family. That was what the family member said. The family member said the last thing that she did, she private her number, RT, and called her after they took the kids. And she said to her, Rosalie, no, this is a different situation. This is a new level. How can we help? Tell us what you want us to do. She said, you know where Rosalie tell her? She said, Rosalie sent her up under the last part.
No, she know, father, she forget.
She doesn't want any help. Then she left her alone. You know what she said she did? She said she hung up the phone and she cried because the mere fact that the kids are there. The kids is the problem. That was why she said she cried, because of the kids. Not even for her attitude. It was for the kids. And this woman is still not wanting to accept even help for the kids. It's horrible.
Do Rosalie look like she have a problem?
That even mention her kids since they have been gone.
All right, then. Girl, you take it to
body and music, Imbo music and partying and Akeem and Diamond.
Do she look like she care about no kids?
Them and Annie. She even got into an argument with Annie yesterday. I nominally mentioned nothing
relevant on the app for her, I see, instead of focusing on the kids.
Say in the text,
come on, man.
Then a video talk, on a pies of GX, you're still a Lego your mouth.
Horrible. It's just horrible. But I'm just watching because for me, I'm just seeing where her own mouth is just gonna cancel her. That's what I'm seeing.
Yes, her own mouth. You know, she said the government have a babysitter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright, let me tell you,
babysitter.
He has a strong fan base. And if you realize when Rosa really live, you're looking at the comment section, anything she say, you fan base with her. No, Rosalie is not the problem again. It's the people who are support she, because when you're looking at the comment and realize nobody over the comment now to push the energy where we attack. Everybody I worship she. I say good girl, go on with yourself.
Because RT, a lot of Rosalies out there.
True.
Hello.
Birds of a feather flock together.
Thank
I
you.
don't follow Fluffy because makes sense, makes sense. What deeper sense?
A lot of Rosalie out there.
I know Rosalie, I got you some
and they're living vicariously through her for saying if a man can love her with her dirty, nasty ways and how she look, as remember, her weight is not what society deems as, look good. It is what it is. We have to just call a spade a spade. Yeah? But she's still out there doing her thing. She not bitch. She does not care. And we up here, so it's what now, 2 weeks? Almost 3 weeks talking about this. How much time since that 3 weeks Rosalie has mentioned her children in a serious matter? Like seriously, now mention no drinks, now put no blame on nobody else and taking accountability. When I see that, that's how we've been attacked about her. That's how we've been just down on her. That's why nobody can even say, hey, make me help because I understand what you're going through. My opinion them can't get taken from me today. I'm gonna make her tomorrow. I get.
Bashi, let me ask you a question. I'll put a question too now. Did anybody have any evidence state that the news state that them charged Rosalie for this and it was on TVJ News? Is that a lie or a real story? Anybody have the clip can send me? I hear, let me tell you what me hear and correct me for false news. I heard that it come on TVJ News and them charge her. So I don't know how true it is. So if them charge her on the news, we not talk about that. So I want to follow the news because some of the ears say no make sense. Anybody hear that on the news in Jamaica?
No. I heard that the children cannot be placed in the same home as her. And then the CDFA came out and saying that the post that Pinkwall posted was wrong. So I'm confused on what the officials are saying. But
we follow the newspaper. We follow the Observer and the Star. That's the only thing we listen to. The Jamaican newspaper and the Star. So anything the Jamaican newspaper and the
All
Star.
TVJ mentioned or CVM was popular TikToker ROSEALEE children has been detained by the city or whatever. That's the only thing I heard.
Somebody run go Google and go search it for me because me want to know if something goes on with the charge. Because if that then we need to talk about it. When she charge.
No, but that's the only reason why Jakes is building the house now. Because remember, the children cannot be placed in the same home as ROSEALEE anymore.
Alright, so the house that's you, Bashi?
Them give piece of land.
Them give piece of land.
Yard where them grew up,
Alright.
Same place as you?
Yeah, but not in the same yard.
The same grandmother house or something like that.
Yeah, but not in the yard that ROSEALEE.
So him get a piece of land space or him have to add on?
Land.
Tenement yard.
Like a big yard and he get a piece of space.
Yeah.
Foundation on it already. It's like they were building on it, but they didn't get to finish.
So hold on, slow down. So I can analyze this. So you are saying it's like somebody did a bill already and them just tell himself to build pan it and take it. That's what I say?
No, I guess the house, the yard had more than one houses in it, and there was a space, and they gave him that particular space, and TikTok is now helping him buy material to build up on that space. So
I like it the way where you get the empty land and you start from there. So no, if it's a big yard, all have to do is
empty land. I see you that there's not going to be an empty land like that, to be honest, unless I like swamp or something.
I am granny say Adan. Alright, this is where me afraid I know. Make we mix it now. Watch this. The whole we know people roll. So we help him, the media, not me. We want to help him build a house. And push come to shove and build the house, people tell now. They always have a bad mind family where say for them land. They always have a bad mind family where we want to say them need like that a go. Like why them never tell Drakes if just say to the family say the little piece where him have, him just buy that or lease it out when he can fence it off. So therefore, you're sure for your fact say the house are going to end for the pitney them. Because really often, but not really, we big up Drake, but cannot really Drakes after the pitney them. But the piece of land we didn't get, why Drakes can buy it out or get a piece of paper, say that piece that fit him, so the pitney sure of getting it. Because family land, people are going to fight for somebody say it's small.
My honest opinion, I don't think he knows. He's not thinking of far yet. It's very small, like really small. I don't think he's thinking that far
Them
yet.
used to them type of something they are.
Right.
Nobody now run him off. Him born and growing at the yard for them a picnic and them give a space to build. Nothing wrong with that. Them used to them type of living there. Something with them.
That's what I was saying to him. I get it that it's Seaview, that is not no big old land. Seaview kind of
alright. The part where me see, from the camera where them unload the steel and the black them, that community there, that look big to me. The space look big, it look wide, the place look no.
Right, but they did state in that live that they only housing this stuff farm there until you're ready to build, they're gonna move it.
Now, like, if Jake's building a 2-bedroom there and Rose not building no long, no man.
But Rose have to live there too.
How? Rose can't be in the same house as
What you mean?
She can't live in the same house as the
She
kids.
can't live in there with the kids them. The agreement with the
yeah, but when she do fair part and follow with the government.
That's the do part.
That's
you
afterwards.
doing any part.
No, when she finish fair part, she can't go back.
Right. Make her fair part.
Okay, fine. But right now, the kids can't go with Rose, but they could go with the dad.
I understand that, but the question I'm asking, when the smoke clear and then they free up Rose, all right, do you guys accept Rose who go back at the house?
RT, look what the woman asked. When she gonna clear up herself, look what she's
acting. But after she's the baby mother after all.
Okay, but she's not a good mother.
Find Drakes before all of that.
She's not doing what she's supposed to do.
So you are trying to say no? Drakes will build house with him and the pitney them, but ROSEALEE no come move in?
Yes, that's exactly what we're saying. Yes.
You need to fix up for your granny yard.
Wanna think again and look into yourself and think if you don't really want to say yes.
Yes. You know who my man depend? I know a bar what she name look like she tough. She can angle herself. A bar my man depend a 6-year-old where they somewhere repair you ever put in the side that them have some criminal thing a go on. Now look boy
and some sexual drama
or something. He's
the Rose live at Ufa house. Family also.
Yes, that them.
Remember them did a cuss and say our mother and Jakes is there with her and saying so.
Alright, so she can't build our mother house.
It looks like it's a family house.
So she couldn't build up on it, like build up upstairs or something, like do something.
The lady did come out and tell me, say when the police them come in and say she's not fixing up her dirty house and only can dictate to her how to fix up her house and she's an idiot and when she's ready for do what she do, she will do it. That's exactly what
there's a lie. Fix up on the house now like how
Rosalie just fix up the yard there.
The lady say I buy sugar buy something. I buy sugar buy something.
And that
she not fix up no, she not fix up nothing or none.
You know why your kids
and the only reason why it did come up was because of Mackerel house. That was when the house started. And she said she not gonna fix up nothing and the can't.
Everybody have fix and Rosalie now move. For somebody where I make so much money on the app, she could have fixed that.
I want to give man money.
You know have good people around her where I'm a motivator and
how you gonna have good people around her when she's like that?
Morning.
Nobody know want to
Same thing when you say, auntie. I see thing we say, she not have good real people around her to motivate her and show her the right thing that she can do the right thing, you know, instead of she had the fool in the child one and take talk from some people.
When good people say them run because them scared.
But I don't know, but because somebody need for all her and just say, yo, yeah, you are. Somebody by Ella when know her from Pitney come up for all her.
That the lady look like she cuss everybody.
She want cuss.
That the lady look like she cuss everybody, my love.
But the last person you talk to, you send them up to them woman and cry.
What's his name? His name is Spicy and you have Toto and whatever their name is. They came on live and saying that you guys don't know the serious conversation that they have with Rose offline. So no one should come and tell him that, oh, to talk to your friend, for this, for that. Everything what we are saying, you're just screen recording for it, to be honest.
But Toto himself look like him can't talk to Rose like when him talk to her and tell her the facts.
She run him. Just cool no man. So who is going to keep on? Why not behave like Rose is a senseless baby that does not know what she's doing and not making conscious decisions on her own? She's a mother of two, my nigga. Like, she's making conscious decisions on her own. When people come and say, you remember the guy that was telling her, Rose, you're a nice girl. All you have to do is just fix up your attitude, blah, blah, blah. And she took him off the live. He was not bashing her. He was
the only person Rose keep on her life and reason with is the people that was just like her.
Right. Exactly. So, we are going to come in and I say, Rose, you know, I'm not like you do her, but feel like you should have done this different. Hey, you go suck your mother, you have badge come off.
I need somebody to represent Rose. Somebody who can represent Rose.
You know,
you for go.
You know, she that thinking herself. You know, everything what she do. You know, this could have been a big turnover for her. If she was fit the script and just start clean up her place, show it, video everything, and show the rules so she can change.
The big turnover would have been instead of she put the big turnover would have been instead of she put Akeem in the limelight, she put her baby father and them.
Yes.
And our family come together shit. Yeah. Family got this, family got there, family got everywhere. Yes, look at Jakes and her. That she should have done.
You know what's sad? And I heard
come together as one family.
The only time she bring out them pitney there with the man, you know. The man she bring out them pitney there with
the man. Yeah, but your Rose said the pitney man go nowhere yet.
Don't have Ochi or go down River, go down.
Why she never do it with Jakes? Family day out. Me and Jakes and the kids. We going here. Man. We're going there.
You want build a whole relationship with a nigga that's younger than you. You have 2 kids with him, and you live with a man.
One time.
And you want build a whole. You want put on your big old burden upon him. You don't have to be fair to people. A foolishness. If I'm my brother, I have
Should they do and give them a child?
All right, Fluffy, me have a question. What do you think Rose learned from this?
For still.
Anybody have nothing good to say?
She has learned nothing. Listen,
Anybody
it's
have
not.
anything good to say?
Me not think
I'm
she
not
learn nothing, you know.
arguing back.
Because
This
it's
is
due to how she go
constructive.
on. Me not think she learn it at all. Because if she learn
No.
from it, she just sit down, get the internet and look a break for a little while and think what she gonna do. You see me?
All right.
But
That's
even
she
if
go
you
give
not
the
give the
internet
internet
a
a
break.
little break, come
Yeah,
on
and
the
just sit down
internet
and
and
think and
easy,
just
no?
think and everything
Come
go
on
go
the
on.
internet and just start meds
Oh
different.
my God, Mecca, and then they
She
want
don't want to
Airbnb.
lose
Rose, do they
$1.
know about Airbnb how much years ago? I know every day Airbnb, you know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not know if I may be like hard on her, but I'm looking at it as a mother to have them pick me, Brian. And why me have to tell you say foolishness you do? You not feel weird? You not feel that we do that?
But you gotta always look at it too. She barely get time to enjoy herself. So and
Enjoy
you know
yourself how? What you mean?
she barely go out, and that new guy was taking him around. So he was
Rose
just
had the
living the
money and she
moment.
had the resources. The last time she went out with Rod Q, and that was a big disgrace. Each time she goes and display herself in a public platform or something, it's a big disgrace every single time.
Sure. We're in a
You tell me say you can't conduct
2025.
yourself?
We're in a 2025. If you want to be a whore, don't have kids. Once you have
All
kids,
right.
you have two. Or when you have kids, you have an option. When you
And if
have
you're a
kids,
batty
you
man,
have to
don't
become
fuck
a
pussy.
mother or you have
Simple.
to be a father. If you
That's
want to
true.
become a whore, do not have kids.
That's true.
Yeah, that was part of many, and we'll upload part of many more in a little bit. But in the meantime, you can swing upon my Dancehall Story channel and check out what I go on for to go on with them artists. Yeah. You know, Foota Hype has an issue with the one Lisa Anna Panani. Can you believe that? Yeah, holy percent in go on over there. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest stuff. Please.